Hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to discuss your checkpoint 5, chapter 5, decimal numbers. So, as you can see, this is your checkpoint 5, question 1. Solve each of the following problems. Various problems are given. So, here I'm going to show you the steps how to solve it. Let's take an example. Suppose first A. Now it says divide 4.32 by 8. Now you know that 4 doesn't divide by 8, so what we will do, will insert a 0. Then after that we have a decimal, then we'll put decimal. Then the second digit we are going to take, and that will become 43. Now 43 also, you know that it doesn't come to 8's table. What we'll try to take the lesser number from it. So 8 5s are 40, we'll take that one. Now 43 minus 40, that will become 3. Now take 2 down. Usually how we do divide, the simple way you have to do. 8 4s are 32. Yes, so remainder is 0 and the answer is 0.54. Clear? Very simple division. Let's take one more example, that is C. Suppose question C, this was your A part. Now question C says 10.78 divided by 7. Now 10 doesn't go with 7, so we'll take lesser from it. 7 ones are 7. Now 10 minus 7 is what? 3. After that we have decimal or point, so we'll put point. Then we'll go to the next digit. What is that? 7. We'll take it down. Now 7 5s are 35. The same we have to do. 37 minus 35 is what? 2. Take next digit down. Now yes, 28 can easily go with 7. 7 4s are 28. So here you can see remainder I got 0. That means my calculation is done. I got my answer, and that is 1.54. That is your answer. Clear? Now next, from this only we'll try to take, let's take E1. 28.8 divided by 6. Now 6 4s are 24. 28 minus 24 is 4. After that we have decimal, put decimal. Next we have 8, take it down, will become 48. 6 8s are 48. The steps are very easy. So answer is 4.8. Clear? Now we'll try next one, H1. So H says 14.058 divided by 11. Yes, 11 ones are 11. 14 minus 11 is what? 3. After that we have decimal, put decimal. Next we have 0, take it down. 30 doesn't go with 11, take lesser from it. 11 2s are 22. 30 minus 22 will become 8. Same steps you have to follow. Next digit we have 5. 85 doesn't come. Then 11 7s are 77. 85 minus 77 is what? 8. Yes. Then we'll take last digit down, will become 88. Yes, it goes with 11 8s are 88. Yes, we got remainder 0. So the answer is 1.278. Clear? Next, now we will learn how to divide decimal number by 10. So here we have to follow certain rules that we already have discussed in slide in the videos. So question 2, let's take A1. 563 or 563.4 divided by 10. So the rule you have to follow, what is that? How many zeros we have, in case of division. Okay, I'm talking about the case of division by 10, 100 or 1000 and so on. How many number of zeros you have, that many places, decimal places, you have to shift from your right to the left. So here how many zeros we have? 1. So here you are going to shift decimal place from right to left. So if I shift their place, then the decimal will be here. So the answer will come 56.34. Clear? Let's take next one. 22.4 divided by 100. So here again you will cross check that how many zeros we have. We have 2 zeros, so that many places you are going to shift. This is your first place, this is your second place, then decimal will be here. So that means 0.224. Clear? Very easy. In division case, that many, how many zeros we have, that many places you have to shift from right to the left. Why I shifted? Because see, here 2 zeros were there, so I shifted that many places from right to left. Clear? Let's learn more. So let's take D1. 83.03. That is also easy. That many zeros we have. So how many zeros we have here? 2. 2 zeros, 2 decimal places you shift. So the answer will come 0.8303. Clear? E says 390.07 divided by 1000. Count the zeros. How many zeros we have? We have 3 zeros. So we'll shift 3 places, 1, 2 and 3. So before that I'll put 0.39007. Let's take the last question, that is 9.982 divided by 1000. Let's see that you'll be able to do it or not. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So here, oh shit, I have 1 place, no problem. So that many places, if I do not have any digit, that many more zeros I'll put. So first we shift it, that is 1, then 2, then 3. So here how many places I required to fill it? 2. So 2 extra zeros you will put. So 0.009982. Clear? 3 zeros, 3 places. So before that it was before 9. Now 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 0.009982. Clear? The concept is very easy. Clear? Thank you. Word problems we are going to discuss in live session.